Hello. Have you heard all the hype about cast iron cookware, but you're worried that it may be too complicated to use and maintain? Well, today I'm going to break it down for you and give you 5 reasons why cast iron cookware may just not be for you. Let's jump right in and see if you are cast iron compatible. Number 1, cast iron isn't going to be the right fit for you if you're not going to use it. I mean, it's pretty simple. Cast iron works best when you use it often and don't just let it sit in a drawer for months collecting dust. The more you use it, the better it gets seasoned, and seasoning is key. It's that natural, non-stick goodness that comes from cooking with fats like bacon grease, olive oil, or even good old Crisco. So if you're not planning on giving your cast iron some love and using it often, then it may just not be the right fit for you. Number 2, if you're a clean freak who loves scrubbing with soap and running pots and pans through the dishwasher, then cast iron just isn't going to work for you. You see, keeping your cast iron seasoned means letting it stay a little bit greasy. See that shine? That's a good thing. That means it's going to protect your seasoning and keep your pan in top shape. And that's why you don't wash your cast iron with soap. Not because it ruins the seasoning, but because it strips away those precious oils that are protecting and keeping your pan seasoned. A thin layer of oil will keep your pan protected from humidity in the air while it's in storage. And the next time you put it on the burner, as soon as you turn the heat on, that oil is going to start to cook into the pan and create another tiny thin layer of seasoning. And that's the process that we repeat over and over and over again to give you a bulletproof, non-stick seasoning on your pans. Now, if you're a germaphobe who thinks a cast iron needs to be sanitized after every time you use it, you're just making life harder on yourself. You don't need to go all OCD and scrub it to death, because let me share a little secret about cooking with you. High heat kills germs. That's right. So when you heat up your pan, it's going to be good as new, and there's no need to worry about it being a germ fest. So if you're all about that sanitized life, cast iron may not be your thing. Now, as you hopefully already know, putting cast iron in the dishwasher is a big no-no. Now, it's not just about the seasoning. It's about common sense. While putting cast iron into the dishwasher will completely destroy the seasoning, the main point is that it's just not necessary. All cast iron needs is a quick rinse with hot water. Boom, it's done. Keep it simple. Now, if you just can't take the win and still insist on putting your squeaky clean pans through the dishwasher, then I'm sorry to break it to you, but cast iron just isn't going to be your jam, my friend. Number 3, if you've been convinced that you'll never get the hang of seasoning your cast iron, then you should just give up now. Ha! Psych! A lot of people on the internet want to make this a lot harder than it needs to be. And to tell you the truth, I've never bothered with that complicated oven seasoning that you see all over the place. Nope, all I do is after a quick rinse, hot pan, hot water, rinse and scrub. Look at that beauty. Water just falling right off of it. After that, I just slap it on the burner for 3 to 5 minutes with a thin coating of whatever fat or oil I've got lying around. Thin for the win. Once it's done, let it cool down, I put it away. Just like that, my pan is clean, dry, and seasoned. Just keep it simple. It's that easy. Number 4, if you're worried about that old myth that you can't cook acidic foods like tomato sauces in your cast iron pans, well, that's just not true. Sure, acidic foods can potentially wear down the seasoning a little bit, but a well-seasoned cast iron pan can handle it like a champ. Now, I cook tomato sauces in mine all the time, and it's all gravy in the Navy, my friends. I've never had a problem. And finally, number 5. Don't be scared away by the fear-mongering that you can't use metal utensils on cast iron pans. This ain't no delicate Teflon. Cast iron seasoning is tough as nails. Sure, you can scratch it with a metal spatula, but here is the beauty of it. It's gonna heal itself. The fats and oils in the pan will fill in those scratches and repair it when you heat it up. It's like magic, literally. Now, cast iron may not be for everyone, but if you can handle lazy person's cookware with unbeatable heat retention, durability that lasts for generations, and a natural non-stick surface, then you may just be cast iron compatible after all. Now please hit this button right here to subscribe to my channel and help me out, because it's the only way that we can get YouTube to share their ad revenue with me. I mean, they make you watch the ads. I might as well get a little bit of the revenue. That is the end of this video. You should leave now. Goodbye.